Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best glass cleaners that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Diversey Glance Powerized Professional Glass and Surface Cleaner. Uniquely put together and combined with heavy-duty surfactants and ammonia, the Diversey Glance Powerized Professional Glass and Surface Cleaner provides exceptional cleaning results with a streak-free sparkle. Glance is the market-leading brand in the janitorial and housekeeping market. Trusted for decades and admired for its quick drying and streak-free shine. Their chemists powerized the formula with ammonia and additives to outperform other glass cleaners on the market. Leaves a brilliant shine on glass, mirrors, sinks, countertops, stainless steel and many other washable surfaces. Glance Powerized is ready to use on glass and other surfaces. Ocean blue in color with a fresh ammonia scent. Fast drying and easy to use, this professional-grade formula cuts through the toughest layers of dirt and grime and also removes all traces of fingerprints, haze, and smoke film, leaving you with a brilliant shine. Available in a convenient spray bottle that allows quick and easy application, it can be used to clean glass as well as other types of surfaces. Moving on at number 4, we have Windex Glass and Window Cleaner, trusted by generations for an unbeatable streak-free shine. Windex Original Glass Cleaner is a great solution for lightening, brightening and sparkling your home. It starts working on dirt, grime, fingerprints and other messes even before you wipe. Give life a sparkle with Windex cleaners. Used to clean windows, mirrors, glass and more. Lightens and brightens your home, leaving it sparkling clean. Starts working on smudges and smears even before you wipe. At number 3, we have McGuires Wax G8224 Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. McGuires Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner comes from years of working with professional detailers to find the quickest and most effective way to clean glass and mirrors. This unique formula spreads and wipes off quickly, with superior cleaning ability to tackle even the dirtiest glass. This car glass cleaner easily removes vinyl fog residue, road grime, smoker's film, bird droppings and bug splatter. Since it's a pro-strength glass cleaner spray, it easily removes dirt, grime, grease and film while still being safe for use on all tinted windows. Anti-hazing properties also work to deliver amazing, streak-free results on all auto windows to get glass perfectly clear. Ideal when used with McGuires Perfect Clarity Glass Towel. Also available in a 19-ounce aerosol version. At number 2, we have Invisible Glass 92164 2PK Premium Glass Cleaner. Invisible Glass 92164 2PK Premium Glass Cleaner 22-ounce bottle, case of 2 is the number 1 selling automotive glass cleaning brand. Professional detailers trust it. The Invisible Glass Clear Dry formula contains no streaky soaps, scents, dyes, or other additives that leave behind hard-to-remove residues. Residues cling to glass surfaces, forming streaks and attract dust and grime. Easily remove fingerprints, smudges, dirt, grease, and smoke haze on windows, windshields, and other glass, mirrored, and chrome surfaces. Stop cleaning up after your glass cleaner. Clean better and less often with the Clear Dry formula of Invisible Glass. And finally at number 1. Sprayway SW050-12 Glass Cleaner. Few glass cleaners can match the Sprayway SW050-12 Glass Cleaner, a cleaner that features a heavy-duty formula which foams up and clings to all kinds of vertical glass surfaces including windshields, mirrors, windows and more. Thanks to the special perfume-grade alcohol present in its formula, it provides exceptional cleaning results and leaves no film or residue behind. Free from ammonia and other harsh toxins and chemicals, this product is easy to spray on and can be wiped clean quickly. Not only does this glass cleaner clean your glass surfaces, but it also polishes it, leaving it shiny, sparkling and clean with a pleasant scent that's bound to last for hours afterward.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.